Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope so you all are well and you are watching Multi-Tech Academy. Today we are going to design a logo using icon tool of Adobe Spark and using the text tool of Adobe Spark, and also we are going to get an image from the Google to design the logo. So first of all we are going toward the Google and search here the wheat leaf logos. So wheat leaf logos, there are multiple leaf logos and we are going to design the school logo. So that's why we are going to take this golden and light brown shade of logo from here, and we are going to save this image in our desktop. So first of all, I'm going to right click on the image and save the image as, and this image is saved in the download section. You can click on the save option. This image you are saved. Now I am going toward the Adobe Spark, and there is a page, same page is there. You can you know that in the last video we have taken image or the page of square shape one size. So here I am going to upload the image from here and remove the background, because sometimes some photos cannot be removed the background from the image. So I'm going to click on the photo and upload the photo which I have downloaded from the Google and open it here on the page. Okay, the next step, when you are uploading an image on the Adobe Spark, they show you the image editing option. You can make it opacity, give a opacity, you can remove the background, you can replace the image, you can filter the image with different colors, or you can enhance the image colors to bright and to saturate the color contrast, and also you can make it blur according to the things. Okay? So we are going to want to remove the background, so that's why I'm going to click on the remove background, because Adobe Spark have an ability to remove the background, but sometimes it cannot remove the background properly. So that's why it show me the image removed from the very basic. So that's why I'm going to cancel this portion and remove and delete this image. So the second step to remove the background from the image is that we are going toward the website known as the remove page, and I'm going to upload an image which I had download from the Google. Is that it show me the original image, and it also show me the removed image from here. Okay, I'm going to download the image. It show me the image background is removed from the photo. I'm going to cancel it, and again I am going toward the Adobe Spark and click on the photo and upload the photo which I have removed the background. The next step to crop the image when the image is uploaded, because the border of the image is still there. Actually the background color of the image is white, but for designing anything you should change the color of the page. You should change the color of the page for the next step. It show me it takes time. I'm going to reload the page. I'm going to reload the page here. Okay, now again I am going to put the image here. After the image is uploaded at here, you can see that the background of the image is removed properly, and there is another thing, the vector stroke is there. You can crop the image from here. Okay, I'm going to remove it properly and save the image from here. Now you can see that we have done with removing the background of the image. Okay, the next step to design a proper image or the proper logo for school. So I'm going to word the icon. I'm going to search leaf because there is a leaf. Different types of leaves are there, and I'm going to take this leaf. Okay, after that I'm going to cancel the find icon and smaller the shape as we want and rotate it like that. You can zoom the image. And how to change the color of the image, I am going to click the color and pick the pen, and I want the color is darker or the lighter. I want the color is darker, so the color is applied on the leaf which I have taken. Okay, the next step is I'm going to click on the image and duplicate that image and put it here and rotate it like that at the same angle and the same space. Now your image is set it down. Okay, everything is clear. Now the next step to find a star. I'm going to take a beautiful star from here, and again I am going to give the color. When you are choosing a pen to take any color from the image or anything from else, the color is saved in the current palette or the suggested palette. So first of all I am going to make it smaller as it is. It's look good and change the color. Okay, it's look good. Now I'm going to take a book. I'm going to take multiple types of book. There is a beautiful book, and the second step I'm going to take a convocation cap. Okay, I'm going to search it, and there are multiple convocation cap, and you can choose it any types of convocation from cap from here. I'm going to getting this one, and the last step to finding the last icon from the Adobe Spark is the oval shape. I'm going to search the oval, and I'm going to get the thin oval shape. Okay, now the icons I have selected from here, and I'm going to put it here and replace it at the center of the image. Okay, you can see that there is an image, and I'm going to zoom it like I want to know that it is on the same place or not. Now it is on the good place, and now I'm going to get it the pen and give the color lighter than, and then I'm going to give the color toward the book is blue, because the blue color is very good. Sorry, I'm going to take the color blue and then customize this color and brighter the color that I want. Yes, and the same color is given toward the convocation cap, and I'm going to smaller the cap from here and align it on the center of the product or the image. I'm going to give the same color Now the times to add text on the image or the logo in the logo. Click on the text and click on the add your text. I'm going to give here a title of education, and you can give the name of the school which you want, and I'm going to place the image at the center of both of the image the icons, and here I'm going to choose the color darker, and you can make it more darker if you want, but I don't want. I'm going to change the style of the image, and I want to do it like that. Place it at the center of the, and the same text I want another text, and type here 2021 is going to be finished, and I'm going to give here the image of, yes, almost your logo is set. I'm going to make it in the center of the image, and this is in the center. Okay, yes, everything is all right. Now the time to change the background color of the image. Your logo is designed, and I'm going to download. You can download the image like PNG format, JPG and PDF. I'm going to download the image in the PNG format. Start download, or you can choose the solid color or the transparent. When you are choosing the transparent, it means that your background is removed all on the logos. So we have done with our first logo design using Adobe Spark, and you can put it wherever you want. So the process how to put that image, I'm going to work the Microsoft Word. You can see here, and I'm going to take a document. I'm going to work the design tab and change the color of the page, like I want the color of the image is lighter, and insert an image which I have downloaded from the download section. The logo is here, and you can see that our logo is designed, and we can put it here, and we can resize it according to what the, and you can change the color of the image. It doesn't affect on your logo. You can see it now, and this is enough for that lecture. I hope so you like the video. Please like and subscribe my video, and thank you.